Hello there, this is Randil. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to teach you some geography through questions. This is the fourth video in this series of GeoDatabase. In today's video, there are 10 questions with answers. First, read the question carefully. Next, listen to the description given. Then pause the video and select your answer out of the 4 answers given. Finally, you can check your answer with mine. This video will also be very important and useful for anyone who is getting ready for an exam in geography. Then join me in this lesson. If you are ready, let's get started. Geography Geodatabase Part 4. Let's read the instructions first. For each question from number 1 to 10, select the correct or the most appropriate answer out of the 4 answers given and write its number on the dotted line provided against it. Description: the atmosphere is divided into 4 main layers on the basis of the change of the temperature with altitude: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Out of them, troposphere is the most important layer for living beings. Characteristics of troposphere: the temperature decreases with altitude. All the atmospheric phenomena including precipitation, temperature, pressure, humidity, winds, and formation of clouds occur within this layer. Let's look at the question now. A. Most of the gases of atmosphere are found here. B. A feature of this sphere is the decline in temperature with elevation. C. All atmospheric phenomena that influence human activities such as temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, cloud formation, rainfall are found here. Which one of the following given below has the features described in the statements A, B, and C? As I described earlier in my account, troposphere has the above features described. Accordingly, the answer is
Number 1.
Let's move on to the second question. Govindhela is a giant rock mountain standing up nearly 570 meters above the ground, overlooking the Galloy region. This is located by the Siambalandu-Ampara main road in Uva province of Sri Lanka. The summit of Mount Inginiagala is one of those most scenic points in Sri Lanka. Nuwaragala mountain belongs to Galloy mountain range. Kokagala is an isolated mountain in the Ampara district of Sri Lanka. These 4 mountains belong to Galloy mountains. Let's look at the question now. Which one of the following statements gives the names of the mountains that belong to the Galloy hills? Which one is the correct answer out of the 4 answers given? According to my description given above, the answer is
Number 2.
Next, move on to the next question. Description: mine export crops are the small scale products for exportation in addition to the main traditional commercial crops. They are cinnamon, coffee, pepper, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, cashew, citronella, and flowers. Matale and Kandy are the 2 districts which show the largest distribution of minor export crops in Sri Lanka. Let's look at the question now. The 2 districts that show the largest distribution of minor export crops in Sri Lanka are. Which answer is the right one out of the 4 answers given? The right answer is
Number 3.
Let's move on to the next question. Description: the physical factors which have contributed for the cultivation of tea. An annual rainfall of 1900 mm to 5400 mm. An average temperature between 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Loam and laterite soil, land with gentle slopes with a good drainage. Let's look at the question now. A. Temperature between 21 Celsius degrees to 30 Celsius degrees. Rainfall of 1900 mm. Water retentive alluvial clay soils. B. Temperature of about 27 Celsius degrees. Annual rainfall of over 2000 mm. Gently sloping highlands of 30 to 300 meters. Laterite soils. C. Temperature between 15 Celsius degrees to 27 Celsius degrees. An evenly distributed annual rainfall of about 1900 mm to 5460 mm. Well-drained slopes laterite soils. D. Temperature between 20 Celsius degrees to 27 Celsius degrees. Rainfall of 2000 millimeters to 2500 millimeters distributed throughout the year. Alkaline, sandy soil. What would you suggest as suitable for tea plantations from among the physical factors described under those given in A, B, C, and D? Which letter out of A, B, C, D is suitable for the cultivation of tea? The answer is
Number 3.
let's move on to the next question. Description. The automobile assembling industry, though started recently, is an industry that shows signs of progress in Sri Lanka. The main micro automobile assembling factory is located at Polgahavela. I have given you some trends in assembling automobile industry. Trends. Assembling automobiles of different models. This industry receives state patronage. New technological skills and various accessories are systematically added to the automobiles in a technically suitable way. The gradual progress of quality in automobiles. The assembling industry is strengthened within the local industry. Let's look at the question now. The main features of an assembling industry comprises. I have given you 4 answers. First one, specialization, division of labor and multinational corporations. Second answer, technological development, specialization and international relations. Third answer, multinational cooperation, technical development and international relations. Fourth answer, division of labor, specialization and technological development. Out of these 4 answers, the correct answer is
Number 4.
let's move on to the next question. Description. The total number of humans inhabiting the earth is termed population. The world population size according to continents. Around 60% of the world population lives in Asia, 16% in Africa, 10% in Europe, 8% in North America, 5% in South America and 1% in Australia. Let's look at the question now. Which one of the following statements is correct in respect of world population? First answer. Nearly 50% of the world population lives in the northern hemisphere. Second answer. 64% of the world population lives in 20% of the total land area of the world. Third answer. 3/4 of the world population lives in Asia. Fourth answer. 60% of the world population lives in 10 major countries. Out of these 4 answers, the right answer is
Number 4.
let's move on to the next question. Description. A natural hazard is an event in the environment that occurs naturally that could cause harm to humans, economic assets or environment. Lightning is a natural phenomenon which is identified as a very common hazard in Sri Lanka. Although lightning may occur any time of the year, it often occurs during the months of March, April and October-November. Let's look at the question now. In Sri Lanka, hazards caused by lightning occur mostly in the months of. There are 4 answers. First answer, March, April, October, November. Second answer, February, March, November, December. Third, January, February, May, June. Fourth, March, April, August, September. Out of these 4 answers, the correct answer is
Number 1.
Let's move on to the next question. Description. North Atlantic Oceanic Route. It is much more important than any other waterways. This waterway joins the developed regions of Western Europe with the developed regions of North America. There are many important parts of the world on this oceanic route. Maximum goods are transported through this waterway of the world. Let's look at the question now. Which one of the following major shipping routes of the world carries the highest annual exchange of goods? There are 4 answers. First one, North Atlantic route. Second, Suez Canal route. Third, Panama Canal route. Fourth, route around Cape of Good Hope. Out of these 4 answers, the correct answer is
Number 1.
Let's move on to the next question. Description. Cartography is the study and practice of making and using maps, combining science, aesthetics, and technique. Anaximander was the first of the ancient Greeks to draw a map of the known world. Let's look at the question now. Which one of the following persons drew a map according to scale for the first time and is also considered the father of cartography? There are four answers. First answer, Claudius Ptolemy. Second, Eratosthenes. Third, Anaximander. Fourth, Strabo. Out of these four answers, the correct answer is
Number 3.
Let's move on to the last question. Description. A geographic information system is a framework for gathering, managing and analyzing data. Let's look at the question now. Which one of the following may be considered as the most recent method employed in producing maps? There are four answers. Use of aerial photographs, use of computers, use of satellite photographs, use of geographical information system. Out of these four answers, the correct answer is
Number 4.
This is the end of my presentation on GeoDatabase. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video important and useful, subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye now.